I once sang along to my favorite English song for an entire year. Every word, every line, with complete confidence, until someone finally told me what the song was actually about.
Oh no, I have a feeling I know where this is going.
Today, we are going to talk all about music in English, and I am going to tell you exactly what I had been singing for a whole year without realizing it.
By the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about your favorite music, your favorite artists, and your favorite genres, all in natural, confident English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I'm here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about favorite music.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you doing today?
I am doing great. Thank you, Daniel. I actually listened to music the whole way here this morning.
Oh, nice. What were you listening to?
My usual morning playlist, a mix of pop and a little bit of jazz.
That is a lovely combination. Music really sets the tone for the whole day.
Completely. The right song in the morning can change my entire mood.
I agree completely. So today, we are going to talk all about music in English.
This is such a fun and personal topic. Everyone has an opinion about music.
Absolutely. And music vocabulary comes up constantly in everyday English conversations.
Right. Talking about favorite songs, artists, concerts, it is a very common conversation topic.
And we have my embarrassing singing story coming up later.
Yes, I am very excited to hear the full version of that story.
Stay with us. It gets worse before it gets better.
Let's begin.
So here is what we have for you today.
By the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about your favorite music genres, artists, and songs in English.
We will teach you the most useful music vocabulary and natural expressions people use when discussing music.
And Daniel will finally tell us the full story about the song he sang for an entire year without understanding it.
An entire year of confidence built on complete misunderstanding.
So stay with us until the end. You do not want to miss this one.
Let's go.
Emma, let's start simple. What kind of music do you listen to? I listen to a huge variety, honestly. Pop, jazz, classical, a little bit of rock.
That is a lot of variety. Do you have a favorite genre, though?
If I had to choose one, I would say jazz. It has such a calming and sophisticated feeling.
I love jazz, too. There is something so relaxing about it.
Right. It is perfect background music while working or reading.
Do you have a favorite jazz artist?
I love Ella Fitzgerald. Her voice is absolutely incredible.
Oh, a classic choice. Her voice really is timeless.
Completely. I could listen to her for hours. What about you, Daniel? What music do you like?
I am more into rock and indie music, something with a bit more energy.
Do you have a favorite band?
I really love a band called Coldplay. I have been a fan for years.
Oh, Coldplay is wonderful. Have you ever seen them live?
Yes, actually, 2 years ago. It was one of the best concerts I have ever been to.
That sounds amazing. What was the atmosphere like?
Absolutely electric. Thousands of people singing every word together. It gave me goosebumps.
I love that feeling at a concert. When the whole crowd sings together,
It is one of the most powerful feelings. Music has this incredible way of connecting people.
completely. Even people who do not speak the same language can connect through music.
That is so true. Music is genuinely a universal language.
Do you play any instruments, Daniel?
I play the guitar, although not very well.
Modesty. I am sure you are better than you think.
I can play a few songs around a campfire. That is about my level.
That still counts as playing an instrument.
What about you? Do you play anything?
I played the piano for many years as a child. I can still play a little.
Oh, that is wonderful. Do you still play sometimes?
Occasionally. Mostly to relax after a stressful day.
That is such a lovely way to unwind.
It really is. There is something therapeutic about playing music, even badly.
Even badly is still better than not at all.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about how you discover new music. How do you find new songs and artists? Mostly through streaming apps. They recommend songs based on what I already listen to. Right. The algorithms are quite good at finding similar music these days. Very good. Sometimes a little too good. I end up listening to the same style for weeks. Trapped in your own musical bubble.
Exactly. How do you discover new music, Emma?
I love getting recommendations from friends. Word of mouth feels more genuine to me.
That is a great way to discover music. Friends usually know your taste well.
Exactly. And sometimes I discover music through movies or TV shows.
Oh, that happens to me too. A song plays in a film and suddenly I need to know what it is.
Right. Soundtrack discovery is very real.
Do you go to live concerts often?
Whenever I can. There is nothing quite like live music.
I completely agree. Recorded music is wonderful, but live music has a special energy.
Right. The mistakes, the spontaneity, the connection with the audience, it cannot be replicated.
What was the best concert you have ever been to?
I saw a small jazz performance in a tiny club a few years ago. Maybe 50 people in the audience?
Oh, an intimate setting.
Extremely intimate. The musicians were so close you could see every expression on their faces.
That sounds incredibly special.
It was magical. Sometimes small concerts feel more powerful than huge stadium shows.
I believe that completely. There is something about that closeness.
Exactly. What is your favorite concert memory?
Definitely the Coldplay concert I mentioned, but there was also a smaller show, a local band in my city.
Tell us about that one.
It was in a tiny venue. The band was relatively unknown at the time, but their energy was incredible. Sometimes those hidden gems become the most memorable experiences. Exactly. You feel like you discovered something special before everyone else.
That is such a unique feeling, being there before the fame.
Right. Now, whenever I hear them on the radio, I feel a little proud. Like I knew them first.
That is such a relatable feeling for music lovers.
Every music fan understands that feeling perfectly.
Actually, before we continue, here is an interesting music fact.
Oh, I love these. Tell us.
Did you know that listening to music while studying or working can actually improve your focus? But only certain types of music.
Really? Which types help and which types do not?
Studies show that instrumental music, music without lyrics, helps concentration the most.
That makes sense. Lyrics can distract your brain because it processes language while you try to focus on other language tasks.
Exactly. So if you are studying English, instrumental music might actually help you concentrate better than songs with lyrics.
That is such a useful tip for our listeners, especially while studying English vocabulary.
Right. Save the lyric-heavy songs for relaxing, not studying.
Very practical advice. Okay, let's move to our English lesson.
Perfect. Let's teach our listeners the most important music vocabulary in English.
Let's start with music genres. The word genre means a category or style of music.
For example, pop, rock, jazz, classical, hip-hop, country, and electronic are all music genres.
For example, my favorite genre is pop, but I also enjoy classical music sometimes.
Now, let's talk about important music vocabulary. The word lyrics means the words of a song.
For example, I love the lyrics of this song. They are very meaningful.
The word melody means the main tune of a song, the part you can hum or sing.
For example, this song has such a beautiful melody. It is very catchy.
Catchy means a song is easy to remember and gets stuck in your head.
For example, that song is so catchy, I cannot stop humming it.
The word album means a collection of songs released together by an artist.
For example, their new album came out last week. I have listened to it 5 times already.
A single is one song released separately, often before a full album.
For example, they released a new single yesterday. I love it.
Now let's talk about useful phrases for describing music you like or dislike.
The phrase, I am a big fan of, means you really like something or someone.
For example, I am a big fan of Coldplay. I have all their albums.
Another phrase is, this song is stuck in my head.
This means you keep thinking about a song and cannot stop humming or singing it.
For example, your song choice yesterday is stuck in my head today.
That happens to me constantly.
To everyone, honestly. Another useful phrase is, it is not really my taste. This is a polite way to say you do not like something without being too negative. For example, heavy metal is not really my taste, but I respect the talent.
Very diplomatic way to express a different opinion.
And one more. This song brings back memories.
This means a song reminds you of a specific time or experience in your life.
For example, this song brings back memories of my childhood summer's childhood.
Music has such a powerful connection to memory.
It really does. Hearing an old song can instantly transport you back in time.
Now, let's also mention some verbs related to music. The verb to perform means to play music in front of an audience.
For example, the band performed for 3 hours at the festival.
The verb to release means to officially make a song or album available to the public. For example, they are going to release their new song next month. The verb to cover means to perform someone else's song in your own style. For example, she did an amazing cover of that classic song.
Now let's quickly mention a useful grammar point. We often use the present perfect to talk about musical experiences in our lives.
For example, I have seen that band live 3 times.
Or, have you ever been to a music festival?
We use present perfect because we are talking about experiences without a specific time, just whether something has happened in your life.
For example, I have never heard this song before.
Or she has listened to that album so many times.
Very natural and very common when talking about music experiences.
Our listeners can now talk about music completely naturally in English. Daniel, I want to ask our listeners something.
Of course, go ahead.
Everyone, what is your favorite genre of music, and who is your favorite artist?
Write it in the comments below. Tell us, what music do you love?
For example, my favorite genre is hip-hop, and my favorite artist is...
We would love to discover new music through our listeners around the world.
And if you are enjoying episode 12, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.
New episodes every week, all in simple, natural English just for you.
Now, Daniel, I think it is finally time for your song story.
Yes, the story I have been avoiding all episode.
Okay, Daniel, tell us about the song you sang for a whole year.
So this happened when I was learning English seriously for the first time. I discovered this English song and absolutely loved the melody.
What was the song?
I will not say the exact song, but it was a very popular, upbeat, happy-sounding pop song.
Okay, happy melody. Sounds harmless so far.
Very harmless sounding. I learned the lyrics by listening over and over. I sang it in the shower, in the car, at parties.
A real anthem in your life.
Completely. I sang it with so much confidence, I genuinely thought it was about having a wonderful, fun time.
But it was not.
It was absolutely not. One day, a friend who spoke perfect English heard me singing it at a party.
Oh no, what happened?
She started laughing so hard she had to sit down.
Oh, Daniel.
I asked her what was so funny. She said, "Do you actually know what this song is about?"
And you said?
I confidently said, "Yes, it is about having an amazing time with friends."
And the real meaning?
The song was actually about a very difficult and emotional breakup. Heartbreak, sadness, loss.
Oh no, you had been singing a heartbreak song with a huge smile for a year? An entire year at parties with my arms raised, smiling. That is one of the funniest things I have ever heard.
My friend could not stop laughing for about 10 minutes. She still brings it up sometimes.
What did you learn from that experience?
Today was so much fun, Daniel. Thank you.
Thank you, Emma. And thank you, everyone, for listening to episode 12.
Practice the phrases we learned today. I am a big fan of. This song is stuck in my head. It is not really my taste.
Say them out loud. Talk about your own favorite music today.
And remember, always check the lyrics before you sing along confidently.
Especially at parties.
See you in episode 13, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep listening to great music and keep learning English every day.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Take care.
Bye.